Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, I'm on here to tell you about my latest giveaway. Okay, it's going to be in 5 parts and you will win 5 cross-stitch kits. I hope I can explain this as clear as it is in my mind. So, in order to win these 5 kits, because I will send them to one person, 5 kits, we'll have videos. There'll be either a stitch with me or it'll be a drill with me for the next 5 days. So that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you have to watch each one of the videos in order to get the secret number for the day. Sorry about Molly. So, what you need to do is have a piece of paper and write down Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay? Each day that you get a number, write down the number for that day on the date on your piece of paper. Save those until Monday. Monday I'll have another either stitch with me or a drill with me. And on that day only, you will put in the 5 numbers that you got from watching the 5 videos in the comment section. From that comment section, I will look through everybody's numbers, and if you have them in the right order, your name will go to the drawing. If they are not in the right order, then I will not enter you into that drawing. On Tuesday, on the Flosstube day, I will draw a name of everyone that got all the numbers in the correct order. I will draw a name from that group, like I normally would draw for a drawing that I had. So hopefully that made a lot of sense. So, you need to watch my videos for the next 5 days. Now, these numbers will not be announced during any of the reviews. Only the stitch with me or the drill with me. Okay? Because some days I may have a review and then I'll have either a stitch or a drill with me. So it's only on the stitch with me's or the drill with me's for the next 5 days. Write them down in the order that they are given on that day. And you'll have to watch because I will not do it in the beginning or do it at the end or anything consistent. So randomly I will announce and I will say the number for today is blah, blah, blah. You know, whatever the number is for that day. Does that make sense? If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll go from there. So hopefully this will be a fair thing, and I will send you 5. If your name is picked, you will be sent 5 cross-stitch kits, and I may throw in a diamond planing, you know, during these times, or not, you know, just random. But you will still get your 5 cross-stitch kits. Hopefully that made sense. Let me see, is there anything else I need to tell you? You need to be a subscriber. And other than that, I think that's it. And over 18. I think I hit that age group, so, you know, I'm just putting it out there. So, collect the 5 numbers. And on Monday, enter your 5 numbers in order in the comment section on the Monday stitch or drill with me, and your name will be drawn on Tuesday. Fair enough? Alright guys, I just wanted to fill you in before this all started, and it begins today, Wednesday the 6th of April, and it will go until the last of the 5 videos will be on Sunday. And if anybody enters the number of the day in the comment section on any of the days, their name will not be put into the drawing. So no numbers in any of the comments below for each of the 5 videos. All right, let's get on with it. Have a good day. See you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.